Muslims have been charged to be diligent in their service to Allah. Imam Abdulhamid, who gave the charge at a special 40th year Fidal prayer of Alaja Amudalat Bekelolowa Teriba, emphasized the importance of living a righteous and purposeful life. Correspondents report that the event took place at the Asaruddin Hall, Ijebu Rabittah, and complete the report.
The ceremony brought together a league of imams across the 6 local governments in Ijebu, members of Rabittah committee and well-wishers from different walks of life. Also in attendance was the Ogun State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Mukhtar Abayomi Arigbabu. Professor Arigbabu commended the management of the academy. Professor Arigbabu promised to continue support from the state government for further development.
So I want to congratulate Rabittah Academy for celebrating 10th year of existence. It's a good thing to celebrate. It gives you opportunity to reflect, to look back, look at where you were coming from, look at where you are now, and then try to project into the future.
Chairman, Board of Management Alhaji Abiodun Mufsadeen, in his welcome address, expressed gratitude to Allah and appreciate all who contribute to the growth of the academy since its establishment in 2015. Alhaji Mufsadeen highlighted some of the academy's achievements in the last 10 years.
This school is by Imam and Alphas of all Ijebu land. So I would plead that they should be thinking of another one in another local government so I can spread.
Delivering the anniversary lecture, Professor Oyele Jimo Wale, who spoke on the topic Muslim Child Education, Rabittah Academy on call, emphasized the importance of Islamic-based education and called for improved facilities such as modern hostel equipment and a standard laboratory in the school.
So I will only urge the management to continue to work harder in order to sustain the glory they already have, and they should also continue to expand the coast by introducing new programs that are relevant to the society we live in now.
Donation was later made with a pledge from the chief launcher, Augustine Ozuoma Onwumere, who was presented to construct a hostel for 75 boys and girls by 2026. Awards were also presented to families who have significantly supported the growth of the academy since inception. Some of the awardees expressed aspiration and pledged to continue support the academy. The Secretary, League of Imam and Afas in Ijebu, while commending the board and management of the academy, expressed delight at the success of the event. The Commissioner for Education, Professor Abayomi Arigbabu, alongside others, later inspected the school premises. From NTA Ijebu, Ayomide Kukumbi, NTA News.